Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the bearing number that grouped into the bearing sides. We want to know what does it mean and how can we convert it or convert its digits and letter into essential technical specifications. As we see here, this is the complete diagram of the bearing. This is quarter section and this cross-sectional. From here we can see the outside diameter, internal diameter or the bore. Here is the width and outer race and inner race. Generally, the number contains some digits and some letters. These digits and letters indicate the dimensions like internal diameter, outside diameter, which letters generally indicate the protection and the clearance. Also, some digits indicate the load series and the type of the bearing. The most important thing or important dimension here is internal diameter. We grouped it into three. The first group, that internal diameter from 3 millimeters up to 9 millimeters. Here we can see only 3 digits. First digits indicates the type of the bearing and second digits indicates the load series. The third one indicates the internal diameter. From internal diameter, we can follow the row and find internal diameter and width of the bearing. This is width, this is outside diameter, and this is internal diameter. From technical design tables, we can follow the same procedure to have the remaining of the dimensions. For example, if we get this number, 6 means single row, 2 means light series load, and 4 means 4 millimeters internal diameter. We follow also 13 millimeters diameter and 5 millimeter for the width. Second group, here we got 4 digits. First digit from left is constant, that indicate the type of the bearing. Second, also constant, indicate the load series. 2 digits to the right indicate the dimension of internal diameter. 00 means 10 millimeter diameter. 01 means 12 millimeter internal diameter. 02 means 15 millimeters internal diameter. And 03 means 17 millimeters internal diameter. Also, we follow the same procedure that we have got internal diameter from the row of the outside diameter from the row of internal diameter and width as well. we can follow the same for 12 and 15, 17. That, for example, 0 to 15 millimeter internal diameter, 35 outside diameter, and 11 widths of the bearing. This is the width of the bearing. Third group, also the same. We have 4 digits. First digit from the left is constant for the bearing type, and second for the load series, and 2 remaining digits, for example 04 for the internal diameter. Here we can see the stepping in the load series, for example 2, change to 3, and change to 4. This means load series. For example, if it is written 1, that means it is very light series, 2 light series, 3 medium series, 4 is heavy load series. The internal diameter should be multiplied this number 40. We can see again this is different because it is standard. That 00 means 10. For this group, and for this group, the third digit means directly the dimensions of the internal diameter. Come back again. From 04 and above, we multiply this number by 5. For example, 04, 20, 04 multiplied by 5, 20 also, 04 multiplied by 5, also 20. Here the internal diameter is constant, but it is different in the type of load or series of load. 2, 3, 4. 2, that means the outside diameter is different. Sorry, this is D capital, not B capital. We can see that from 2 to 3, 20 is constant for internal diameter, and 52 for outside diameter, and 14 for the width of the bearing. For heavy series, 4, that means internal diameter is fixed, and the change will be into the outside diameter. That means 72. Also, the width is different, and so on. We can go down by the same way. 05, that means 25, 25, 52, 1, 15, and so on. For example, we can have the last one, that means first digit means the type of the bearing, second digit means the series of load, and the third and fourth means the internal diameter that would be multiplied by 5. For example, 18 by 5 means 90. Outside diameter is 160, and the width is 30. Also, for the medium, series. 18 is constant. It means 90 millimeter for internal diameter and 190 for external diameter and 43 for the width of the bearing. As we discussed above, 0 and 1 for the third digits. Third digits from the right, no problem. Means 0 and 1, very light series. 2, light series. 3, medium series. 4, heavy series. For the extreme left number, like this. Extreme left number. If we find 1, that means self-aligning ball bearing. It indicates the type of the bearing. 2, spherical roller bearing. 3, single row angular contact ball bearing. 4, double row ball bearing. 5, thrust ball bearing. 6, single row deep groove ball bearing, and that we have in our example. 7, single row angular contact ball bearing. Suffix, we can find a letters to the right of the number. For example, if we found Z, that means one side steel seal or type of protection, it will be made from steel. Double Z, that both sides steel seals. RS, that one side rubber seal. 2RS, that means both sides shielded with rubber seal. V, one side non-contact seal. Double V, both sides non-contact seal. DDU, both side contact seal. MNR, snap ring and groove. M indicates brass cage. All this suffix indicates the type of the protection in the post or single side of the bearing. The extreme right letters generally indicate the clearance. For example, if we found CN, that means normal clearance. C1 is smallest clearance. C2 is small than normal. C3 greater than normal. To fix this information, let us have this example. What are the details of the following bearing number? 6307ZZ-C3. Okay, solution. 6 means single row deep groove ball bearing. We can get it from table 5. 3 means medium series. This is 3. 07, we discussed before that every number greater than 3, it will be multiplied by 5. That means 7 multiplied by 5 means 35. We can follow the same row under the series 3 and we can get the remaining of the dimension. That means 35, 0.7 multiplied by 5, 35, outside diameter is 80, and the width is 21 millimeter. Double Z means both sides steel seals. This you can get it from table number 6. C3 also. It is greater than normal, or the clearance between the shaft and the internal diameter is greater than the norm. That means the number of pairing, it should be bear in mind that it is technical specifications discussed everything about the pairing. Next video, we will design the ball bearing using CATIA. Please subscribe for related video. Thank you so much.